Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very important scientific discovery by ISRO related to solar storms, space weather, and Earth's magnetic field. Recently, ISRO released a major update stating that India's Adit L1 mission successfully decoded the impact of a powerful solar storm on Earth. This topic is important for UPSC and state PSC exams, science and technology current affairs, and also for understanding how solar activity can affect satellites, GPS, and power grids on Earth. So let's understand this step by step in a simple manner. Let's understand the basics. The sun continuously releases energy in the form of light and particles. Sometimes the sun releases huge clouds of plasma and magnetic fields, known as coronal mass ejections (CMEs). When these CMEs travel towards Earth at very high speed, they create a solar storm. These storms can disturb Earth's magnetic field, damage satellites, disrupt radio communication and GPS, in extreme cases, even affect power grids. Now let's come to Adit L1. It is India's first solar observatory mission launched by ISRO in September 2023. It is placed at Lagrange point 1, also known as L1. Because from L1, Adit L1 can continuously observe the sun without interruption. The mission studies solar atmosphere, solar wind, solar magnetic storms, and space weather. ISRO scientists studied a very powerful solar storm that occurred in October 2024. This storm was caused by a massive CMEs ejected from the sun. What made this storm special was it had a highly turbulent internal structure. When it reached near Earth, it caused unexpected and intense effects. Adit L1, along with other international satellites, captured detailed data about this event. Earth is protected by an invisible magnetic shield called the magnetosphere. Normally, this magnetosphere deflects harmful solar particles, protects life on Earth, but during this storm, the magnetosphere was compressed extremely close to Earth. As a result, geostationary satellites were briefly exposed to harsh solar conditions. Electric currents in polar regions intensified. Upper atmosphere heating increased, which can lead to atmospheric particle loss. This showed that not all solar storms behave in a simple way. Internal turbulence matters a lot. The findings of this research were published in the Astrophysical Journal, December 2025. It improves space weather prediction, helps protect satellites and astronauts, important for telecom, navigation, aviation, and power systems, strengthens India's role in global space science. This proves that Adit L1 is already delivering world class scientific results. Adit L1 has successfully helped scientists understand how powerful solar storms interact with Earth's magnetic field. This is not just a scientific achievement but also a step towards safer satellite operations, better disaster preparedness, stronger space infrastructure for the future. If you find this explanation helpful, like the video, subscribe for more science and tech current affairs, and share it with fellow aspirants. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.